Welcome to our channel where we bring you the most ingenious life hacks to tackle your everyday problems. In this video, we will share with you some must-know tips and tricks that will make your life easier. Get ready to become a genius problem solver. Let's start in the heart of every home, the kitchen. We all know how frustrating it can be to tackle kitchen mishaps, but worry not, we've got you covered. Learn how to maximize your storage space, organize your fridge like a pro, and fix common kitchen disasters in a flash. These genius kitchen hacks will revolutionize your cooking experience. Cleaning can be a tedious task, but with our genius cleaning hacks, it's a breeze. Discover surprising ways to remove stubborn stains, make your own eco-friendly cleaning solutions, and keep your home spotless with minimum effort. Say goodbye to endless hours of scrubbing and hello to a sparkling clean home. In today's fast-paced world, time is precious. That's why we've gathered the most efficient time-saving hacks for you. From productivity tips to streamline your daily routine, to shortcuts that will cut down your meal preparation time, these hacks will give you back valuable minutes and make your day more productive. Traveling can be both exciting and challenging, but with our travel hacks, you'll be a savvy traveler in no time. Learn how to pack efficiently, navigate airports like a pro, and make your journey more comfortable and enjoyable. These tips and tricks will turn every trip into a smooth sailing adventure. That's it for our collection of genius life hacks for everyday problems. We hope these must-know tips and tricks will make your life a whole lot easier. Remember, being a genius problem solver is all about finding creative and efficient solutions. Stay tuned for more helpful videos on our channel.